Hello everyone, welcome back to University Chef Chami. Today I am sharing a Sri Lankan favorite that's simple, flavorful and perfect for any time of the day. Sri Lankan coconut roti with a spicy Maldive Fish Sambal. This dish brings together the smoky, spicy goodness of Maldive fish and the comforting, chewy texture of coconut roti. Let's get started. We are starting with the star of the meal, the Maldive Fish Sambal. Here are the ingredients you will need: Maldive fish, fresh curry leaves, red onion, half chopped, half sliced, coconut oil, salt, mustard seeds, black pepper, chili flakes, fresh lime juice. Let's begin with the preparation. Take half of the red onion and chop it finely. Leave the other half in slices for later. Now grab a mortar and pestle, add the chopped onion to the mortar and start smashing it until it releases its juice and turns soft. Next, add half of the Maldive fish. Chili flakes, and black pepper into the mortar. Smash everything together until you have a well mixed and slightly chunky paste. Now let's head to the stove. Heat the saute pan over low flame and add the coconut oil. Once the oil is hot, toss in the mustard seeds. You will hear a popping sound. Let them cook until the seeds start to burst. Add the sliced onion and saute until it turns golden color. This is when the flavors start to come alive. Throw in the fresh curry leaves for that authentic Sri Lankan aroma. Now add the rest of Maldive fish and saute for another minute. Finally, stir in the smashed mixture from the mortar. Keep stirring and cooking on low flame, allowing the flavor to melt. Sprinkle in the sauce and mix well. Cook for a couple more minutes, then set the sambal aside. We'll add the lime juice at last. Now it's time to prepare our delicious coconut roti. Here are the ingredients: all-purpose flour, fresh grated coconut, carrot, curry leaves, red onion, salt, Maldive fish, warm water. Let's bring it all together. Start by slicing the red onion and carrot. This will give the roti a wonderful texture and slight sweetness. In a large mixing bowl, add the flour, grated coconut, carrot, onion, sprinkle in the Maldive fish and salt, curry leaves, now mix all the ingredients together using your hands. Make sure everything is evenly distributed. The mixture should be colorful and full of texture. Gradually add warm water a little at a time while kneading the dough. Keep mixing and kneading until you form a soft, smooth dough. It should be moist but not sticky, just enough to hold together. Once the dough is ready, divide into 150 gram portion and roll each portion into a round ball. It's time to shape the rotis. Flatten each dough ball with your palm, pressing gently to form a thick round disc. You want the roti to be about half a centimeter thick, perfect for getting crispy on the outside while staying soft inside. Heat a saute pan over medium-low heat and brush a little bit of oil onto the surface. Once hot, place the roti in the pan. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until golden brown with some lovely crispy edges. Flip the roti and cook the other side the same way. Pressing down gently with a spatula to get an even cook. Once golden and slightly crispy, remove from the pan and keep warm. Repeat with the remaining dough balls. Now let's finish up the sambal. Take the sauté mixture and add the fresh lime juice. This adds a burst of acidity that ties all the flavor together. Stir well and your sambal is ready to serve. Time to plate. Arrange the warm golden coconut rotis on a serving dish. Spoon a generous portion of the spicy Maldive Fish Sambal alongside. Garnish with a few extra curry leaves if you want a pop of color. And there you have it, a plate of beautifully golden coconut roti with a spicy tangy Maldive Fish Sambal. The combination of the chewy roti with the rich and spicy sambal is truly a taste of Sri Lankan comfort food. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. If you loved it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and hit that subscribe button for more delicious and easy to follow recipes. Until next time, happy cooking and keep spreading the joy of food.